Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about refugee issue in India and his solutions. Our today's quotation is there is more here than meet the eye. So keep open your eyes and spread happiness. One-liner questions are which date of June is celebrated as Refugee Day? Near about how many million people forcibly displaced around the world as per the UNHRC report 2018? India is not part of which refugee convention? Sustainable Development Goal, which is talk about reduce inequalities. Full form of Manrega is. Our today's question is India needs to clinically Our today's question is India needs to clinically address the issues of refugee protection and introduce appropriate legal and institutional measures. We have to comment on it. Our introduction would be refugee according to UNHRC when person cross national boundary due to fled war, conflict, violence and persecution. Near about 70.8 million people forcibly displaced around the world up to 2018 as per the report of UNHRC, and 20 June is celebrated as Refugee Day. Facing similar problem of refugees from Pakistan, Tibet, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan and recently from Myanmar after Rohingya, Chin community and others to save their life came to India. You can draw this map. Issues of refugees: lack of food, shelter, education, job for refugees. They face human rights violations, exploitation, discrimination, no representation, identity, no representation, no representation due to their identity, hard to reach medical facilities, lack of money for their livelihood, low awareness and clear definition of refugees and migrant, threat to their life. Issues for India: increase in population, burden on resources, CAA protest, Foreign Act 1946. India is not part of 1951 Refugee Convention and 1967 Protocol. Refugees are vulnerable, can easily used by terrorists to harm India's sovereignty. Measures need to make provisions and domestic laws for refugees, need to provide temporary shelter like camps, also provide education and work for their livelihood and training skills to prevent terrorist influence and criminal activities to protect our sovereignty. Need to provide medical facilities because pandemic also make them vulnerable. Government need to build harmony in the country. Women are more vulnerable in this situation, need to focus on them. Government can use Construction Workers Welfare Fund for the welfare of refugees which previously used for migrants. Need clear definition of migrant and refugees. Manrega, idea of Mizoram Chief Minister, use this scheme for their welfare. Can also provide them work permit, refugee documents to connect them with PDS system for their food security. Try to deal with bilateral relations and international relations also to rehabilitate them. Also develop sensitivity about them through their problems and journey on social media. Our conclusion would be India is always supporter of humanity because there is nothing is bigger than someone's life. Our conclusion would be India is always supporter of humanity because there is nothing is bigger than someone's life. Need to understand the refugees problem and make provisions and laws according to current situation. India is non-permanent member of UNSC can raise this issue and collaborate with the world to resolve it. It helps to build our soft power and also help to achieve SDG 10, which is reduce inequalities. Answers of one-liner question is 20th June is celebrated as Refugee Day. There is 17.8 million people who forcibly displaced. India is not part of 1951 Refugee Convention. SDG 10 is talking about reduce inequalities. Full form of MNREGA is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.